Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to join Audible affiliate program. So just follow me closely. Okay, so right here, unlike other websites, that allows you to, join the affiliate program right there in the website. As you can see, Audible does not have or does not make provision for that. All right, you can find the option of the affiliate program in Audible. So all you need to do is to head over to the separate website that they have created for that. So I'm opening up a new tab and I'm all going to say Audible affiliate program in my search bar. So just click on that and it's going to open you up to options. So just go ahead and just look at that. So here, Audible affiliate. So this is Audible affiliate. So just click on that because that's the official website for the affiliate program. And then we'll see how we can just follow through with the step-by-step process and we'll just be good to go. Okay, that's opening up. All right. Okay, so here we are in the Audible Creator Program, and here we go. So Amazon Associate Program. So you can either join or be a part of the Audible Affiliate Program by becoming an Amazon Associate. All right, so this is from Amazon. It links you directly to Amazon, and then if you join this, you're gonna get like $10. All right, you're gonna get like 10% or so. So here, okay, so let's see. Okay, so here I go. You're gonna get like standard fee structure is eligible product and services, and then we have Audible Go Digital membership, which is $10, and then you have all of this and all of this. All right, but then of all of this, of course, if you read all of this, you're gonna see all the benefits that you can definitely derive from once you join the Amazon Associate program. But then if you just want to join strictly within the Audible program, that's just the Audible affiliate program, go ahead and click on this creator program. And then we're also going to see the benefits to see if that works for you. So it says make money with free offer for your listeners and get $15 for each trial membership you get. So this is $15 and the other one says, so it says and $15 commission for each trial you generate. And so that's $15 commission, and then we track your hits and pay you each month as you hit $30. So here it's saying it's $15 for Audible. That's joining the Audible affiliate program. But then for joining the Amazon Associate program, it's $10. So you're gonna have to like read the options to see which one actually suits your fancy. So here, let's go ahead and click here to sign up and see how we can go through the process. So promoted 30 days, so just read all of those to be sure that this is exactly what you want. All right, so I'm opening this window up to see what's in for me so we can start the process of, creating an account. Okay. All right, I should have stable internet connection. So we have that. Okay, that's coming up already. So here you go. All right, and this join Audible partner, all right, program. So now you're gonna have to, okay, so it says already have an account login, so sign up with your social network accounts. So now you have to fill out all of these details, your information, fill this out, your first name, your last name, your email confirm, your username, your password, and then confirm password. Just repeat what you posted here, repeat it here. And then this is the company information, company display name of your company, company website, which is very important in your country. So it's a country of operation, street address, and then phone number, time zone, and then promotional information. That's the business model. What exactly do you want to promote? How do you want to promote this? So just use any of those models. And then the property type, which property do you want to use to push out Audible as an affiliate marketer? And then you have your agreement, which is 15% per order, and then your schedule in qualified reference, last click, and all of these things that we're just reading here. So read all the way down to, master the policies until you're sure that you are just fine with it. So you can go ahead and download the program terms for you to understand it clearly. And then the next thing that you're just going to do is to click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, that's it. You'll be good to go. Okay, so let's go ahead to see. So right here, I don't have company website, I have a domain, but all of these things are very necessary to add. Like each of this information is very key. All right, it's really very key. So you don't have to miss a box. So once you have filled out all of these things, it's now going to launch you into the Audible affiliate program itself. So once it launches you to the website, you can now start following through with the process, okay, to get your money. So earn a $15 commission for each trial you generate. So once you get listeners, your listeners will enjoy free Audible. That's beautiful. So once you get people, you promote it and through the link that's going to be provided for you by Audible once you're done completing these settings. So once you're done, just push out the link and then get people to listen, or get people to create accounts, and then get people to, of course, create accounts and then enjoy Audible. So once you promote it, promoting a 30-day free trial on Audible, all right, that's just what you need to do. Let people sign up, add their credit details, and then enjoy the 30-day trial. And for any trial, so once listeners go to an Audible trial landing page, and then they successfully fall through with the process, you get $15 commission for each trial you generate. So this is just it. It's very sweet and very simple. So ensure that you fill out all of these details, and it's going to take you to the website. And once you've generated your link, so you just go ahead and push it out and you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.